Hey, what up, fam? Check it out. Tyler Sassy here, Western Welding Academy. We are kicking off the 2024 Blue Collar Tour. Just rolling out of Gillette here. And let me tell you what, with the wind chill, it's negative 51. That's 51 below zero. I'll tell you what, I'm icing up. I even got my gloves on. So we're just fixing to roll up in this here tour bus. We're heading down to Blackfoot, Idaho. So if you're in Blackfoot, y'all get ready. I will see you tomorrow. We just rolled in, we got our stuff rolled out in the building here. We're super excited to come and weld with the boys and girls. I'm looking forward to it. Definitely a little cold today, but we're gonna go out there and we're gonna get it.
I'll be honest, my welding instructor was just the coolest guy, I thought. And so when I was trying to decide what I want to do, I thought, man, what a cool job. Come be a welding instructor, just weld all day. And yeah, I thought, well, I liked shop class in high school. I might as well be in shop class all day as an adult. I just think it's a good opportunity. Even if you don't want to be a welder, there's so much place just in day-to-day life that you can have a skill. The industry needs people. If you're ever just in need of a job for even a short period of time, having the skill is useful. And when other jobs dry up, welders don't usually. Trades in general don't. Like, that's what makes the world go round. It's something you can be proud of. You can show, you know, for me, I get to show a room of kids in any situation. When you can do something that you're proud of, that's a good feeling. That's something you can show people, you can teach people, you can get other people excited about that. At the end of the day, the country was built on blue collar. If things go bad, that's who they call, right? When there's no power, they call electricians. When things need built, they call welders and carpenters. And for me, like, if I think back to like wartime, World War II and stuff like that, there was a demand, there was a need. That's what people come out and they begged. The country was begging for more. And as we move away from that, it's like, it puts the country in a hard spot, right? I think it's important for kids to know that, like, the country does depend on it. It's a weak point for our country right now, and the more that we give back to trades, the more we strengthen our country. Being passionate, getting teachers out that are excited about the industry, that can show kids that it's bigger than just this. It's a lot of need, good careers, whether you want to travel or stay local or anything, especially like around here. We have big weld shops. We have 3 big weld shops just here in Blackfoot. Those shops are calling us all the time, wanting kids right out of school that want to have a career.
Super cool. Get to see a young warrior like Colton leading out here, putting new weld machines in and just making it happen. You guys should be really proud of that. I know I am.
And that's a wrap down here in Blackfoot, Idaho. I'll tell you what, we had an awesome time. This is the first stop of the 2024 Blue Collar Tour, and you kids crushed it, dude. We had an awesome time welding with you. Honestly, I'm most impressed with Colton. Mr. Colton, your teacher, that dude is jam up. His heart's in the right place. We're gonna wrap up this bandwagon, and we're gonna head to Boise next. So if you're in Boise, we'll see you soon. Let's do it!